Come test drive the 2019 Ford Fiesta. Ford will be offering a wide range of options and accessories on the Fiesta in a play to make the Fiesta highly customizable to fit the preference of its drivers. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, AM/FM CD, MP3 radio, electronic stability control, CD player, power windows, rear window defroster, compass, security system, trip computer, remote keyless entry, overhead console, tachometer, brake assist, tilt steering wheel, front bucket seats, front reading lamps, driver vanity mirror. Your new ride is just a phone call away.